So you have decided to learn a language. How would you do it? I'm thinking it boils down to two things. You would learn words and you would learn grammar. Words are building blocks for the language, while grammar helps you arrange those words together in a meaningful way. And actually goes the same for the programming language, like JavaScript, for example. There are building blocks of the language, which for the programming language would be values, expressions, and statements. And even though there is no direct equivalent of grammar, programming languages have syntax. And syntax is something that helps you express those values, expressions, and statements in a meaningful way so that the computer can understand the program you have written so that it can run that program. So let's dive in and learn about values.